I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company, and we're here in a 2013 Lexus GS. We've just installed the Hamilton Motor Company Apple CarPlay and Android Auto upgrade module. As you can see here, this module is fully compatible with both Android Auto. It has Apple CarPlay as well. We have Android Auto up here. Our unit rides over the factory system, so you still have access to your factory climate controls off to the right. And by holding the menu button for 2 seconds at any time, you can switch back to the factory system. In our system, you won't lose access to any of your factory functionality. Your steering wheel controls will continue to work, as well as all factory vehicle controls. Also, if you put your vehicle into reverse, even from Android Auto, it will come right back to Android Auto after putting it back in drive or park. As well, if you use Google Maps, Waze, or any other map app, it will appear here on your home screen. You can enter destinations using the search bar here. You can also talk to the Google Assistant by using the speech button on your steering wheel, or you can enter destinations on your phone and they'll appear automatically in your Maps app. You can also use this system to make phone calls and text messages. Our module integrates with your factory microphone, so whether you're talking to the Google Assistant or talking to a friend on the phone, your microphone is going to be really high quality. A lot of lower-end modules try to replace the factory microphone, or they don't properly transcribe it into the new unit, and it causes a low-quality microphone. Ours will have crystal clear quality. If you have any questions or need any help on the installation, we have a North Carolina-based tech support team available to help you Monday through Friday. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890. We have a complete installation video for this car. I'd also encourage you to check out our video on how to configure it into aux mode so you can set up your audio the first time. Finally, we also have a forum on our website, hamiltonmotorcompany.com, where you can ask questions and get 24/7 service. We sell these modules for almost every version of Lexus and Toyota. If there's something you want that you don't see on our website, just shoot us an email or call and we'll help you out.